Good afternoon to everyone present over here. My name is Somesh Krishna Singh from BBA PPU Batch 2 and I am here to deliver my PPT on the topic how to create certification in MS Word. First, I would like to say thanks to Sanjeev sir for giving me this great opportunity. So let's begin. First, we have to open MS Word and then just go to file and just go to blank document, open the blank document. Here you write certification. After that, we should go to insert and just go to header and footer top. Just put header here. Then just go and click on edit to header. And here you can write anything, any brand name of your certification. And I am here writing CIMAGE Group of Institution. After that, you just go to just select this all and make its size bigger from home section, just like this. You can change the design also. I am using here Algerian. Then make it in middle. After that, just click on certification, make it bigger, given in middle of them. After that, just go and go to insert, and here you just go to in the footer section, edit footer. Here you can write any of your mail or any other things which you want to write. I am here writing cimage.in.com. After that, just come to the middle order for making the certification and write the certification already the certification words that this is to certify that Mr. or Mrs. son or daughter of has completed his certification program on artificial intelligence registration number. After that, just go to paint MS Paint for the signature. Here you just sign your, just copy it and go to MS Paint, MS Word, and here just you paste it. After, for making this design, just go to insert, go to shape as you want, and just create it for looking it interesting. Pause. Okay, so now we will go to for watermark. So we will just go to design option, design tool, and go to watermark. Here we will choose confidential. Just go to custom watermark and write it whatever you want to write. Here I am writing image and changing the written design. Just change the color, which color you just preference, and apply it. Okay, so the page is ready, and for signature just come here, it will be look interesting. After that, just go to page color option, and you can change the entire color of the paper. After that, click go to home and just select the written words to making it in big size. Okay. Make it the certification bold, italic and underlined. After making the certification, we will do merge mail. How to mail merge? So just go to mailings option, my mailings tool, and start and select recipients. Before doing this, we just go and go to MS Excel and please put all the certifications names that we want. Why we are first we should know that why we are doing this mail merge option. So the main reason behind it to make to take out the print of certification in bulk amount. So use an existing list. Here already I had done the MS Excel work in document file and open it and just put it OK. After that, select recipients. We had done that. Just select the name and go to insert mail merge field. Put it in name and just go to father's name is here potent and the registration number. So do you know why in insert merge field only 3 names are putting? Because in MS Excel I had put only three work done which I had do. After that, just go to finish and merge, and then just edit individual document and put it OK. And the certifications are ready. You can see. So this was my presentation. Hope you like it. Thank you.